Imagine standing at the threshold of a new beginning, envisioning yourself 6 months from now and hardly recognizing the person in the mirror, a person transformed by a powerful, deliberate process that reshapes every facet of your existence. This vision is not a fleeting fantasy or an idle daydream. It is a tangible possibility if you commit to a journey of profound change. The path to transformation lies in taking control of your life by setting clear goals, cultivating unwavering self-confidence, increasing your income through strategic learning, and forging a stronger, more resilient mindset. In this process, you will discover a deep sense of fulfillment that comes from knowing you are actively shaping your destiny, rather than passively waiting for an elusive magical moment to occur. Most individuals spend their lives talking about change, filled with good intentions and lofty dreams, yet only a small fraction, perhaps 1%, ever actualize those dreams into reality. This is not because they lack ambition or desire, but because they become trapped in a cycle of inaction, waiting for a serendipitous event or some external catalyst that promises to transform their lives overnight. The truth is, there is no miraculous moment of sudden enlightenment that will suddenly bestow upon you the keys to success. Rather, transformation is born from the decision to change and the consistent, deliberate actions that follow. It is a journey that begins in the recesses of your mind and radiates outward, impacting every aspect of your daily existence. The transformation you seek must start with a fundamental reprogramming of your mindset. Your mind is the most powerful tool you possess, capable of either propelling you toward extraordinary success or holding you back through the limiting beliefs and negative thoughts that constantly undermine your potential. When you begin to understand that your thoughts have the power to shape your reality, you realize that what you focus on is what you manifest in your life. If your inner dialogue is dominated by doubts, fears, and a constant focus on failure, these negative thoughts will inevitably become self-fulfilling prophecies. On the other hand, if you make a conscious effort to shift your focus toward opportunities, personal growth, and the excitement of progress, your life will gradually begin to mirror that positive outlook. To reprogram your mindset, you must actively work to identify and challenge every negative thought that crosses your mind. Each time you encounter a self-limiting belief, ask yourself if this thought is truly accurate, or if it simply serves as a mental barrier that prevents you from reaching your potential. Alongside this process of self-questioning, the daily practice of positive affirmations can be transformative. Each morning, stand before the mirror and speak words of encouragement and affirmation, declaring to yourself that you are capable, strong, and destined for success. Over time, these affirmations will begin to replace the old, negative narratives that once dominated your inner world, paving the way for a more empowered self-image. Yet, the power of your mindset is only the starting point of this journey. Equally important is the establishment of powerful, life-affirming habits that serve as the building blocks of your new reality. The life you experience today is the cumulative result of the habits you have nurtured over the years, and if you wish to see a significant change in your circumstances within 6 months, you must be willing to cultivate new, positive routines. Consider the simple yet profound impact of waking up early each day, a practice embraced by many of the world's most successful individuals. By rising just 1 or 2 hours earlier than you normally would, you gift yourself with precious time each morning to focus on personal development before the distractions of the day take hold. This extra time can be used for meditation, planning, exercise, or reading, activities that fuel your growth and set a proactive tone for the rest of your day. Incorporating regular exercise into your routine is another critical habit that goes beyond physical fitness. Engaging in even a short burst of physical activity daily can boost your energy levels, enhance your focus, and uplift your mood, creating a positive feedback loop that reinforces your commitment to personal transformation. In addition to physical exercise, dedicating time to reading each day is an investment in your intellectual and emotional growth. By immersing yourself in books, articles, or any form of written knowledge for at least 30 minutes daily, you open your mind to new ideas, perspectives, and strategies that can help you navigate the challenges of life more effectively. Prioritizing your tasks and focusing on what truly matters, rather than getting sidetracked by the endless distractions of social media or trivial matters, is equally essential. By establishing a routine that centers on your most important goals, you lay a solid foundation for long-term success, ensuring that each day propels you closer to the life you envision for yourself. However, personal growth and improved habits alone are not enough to create the holistic change you desire, especially if you are also striving to enhance your financial situation. To transform your life comprehensively, you must acquire the skills that open the door to greater financial stability and income generation. In today's rapidly evolving world, there are numerous high-value skills that can pave the way to wealth and success. Whether you are interested in learning the intricacies of investing in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or precious metals, or you are drawn to the dynamic field of digital marketing and online business, the key is to start learning now. By dedicating time to acquiring technical skills such as programming or graphic design, or by exploring the world of content creation on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, you position yourself to tap into new streams of income and opportunities for growth. The critical point to remember is that it does not matter where you are today. What truly matters is your willingness to embark on this learning journey immediately. The sooner you begin to equip yourself with these money-making skills, the faster you can transform your financial future and achieve a level of stability that enables you to pursue your dreams with confidence. Yet, acquiring knowledge and developing new skills will have little impact if they are not put into practice. This is where the concept of action becomes paramount. The vast majority of people fail not because they lack the necessary knowledge or resources, but because they hesitate to take decisive action. It is the gap between intention and execution that separates those who achieve greatness from those who remain mired in inaction. To overcome this inertia, it is essential to adopt strategies that make taking action a natural and automatic part of your daily routine. For instance, one effective approach is to plan your next day each night, mapping out your tasks and setting clear, achievable objectives for the following morning. This simple act of preparation ensures that you wake up with a clear direction and a sense of purpose, reducing the likelihood of falling prey to procrastination. Additionally, embracing the 2-minute rule can have a profound impact on your productivity. The idea is straightforward. If a task requires less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately. This practice not only prevents small tasks from piling up and overwhelming you but also creates a habit of decisiveness that can ripple through every aspect of your life. Surrounding yourself with successful, action-oriented individuals is another powerful way to accelerate your journey toward transformation. By immersing yourself in a community of like-minded people who are committed to achieving their goals, you create an environment where inspiration and accountability are in constant supply. Observing the habits and attitudes of those who have already succeeded can serve as a potent motivator, propelling you to take bold steps toward your own success. Ultimately, the responsibility for your transformation lies squarely on your shoulders. No one else can make the decisions for you, and no one will take the necessary actions on your behalf. Success, in its truest form, is reserved for those who are willing to make bold, decisive moves and who are not afraid to step outside their comfort zones in pursuit of their dreams. As you reflect on these insights, consider the powerful interplay between your mindset, your daily habits, the skills you choose to learn, and the actions you take. Each element is a vital thread in the fabric of your transformation, and together they weave a tapestry that represents a new, more fulfilling version of yourself. The decision to transform your life in just 6 months is not merely about setting goals or acquiring knowledge. It is about committing to a holistic approach that touches every area of your being. It requires a level of self-discipline and determination that transcends the ordinary, challenging you to rise above your past limitations and embrace a future filled with limitless possibilities. In moments of self-doubt, or when the road ahead appears daunting, remember that every small step you take is a victory. Every moment of discipline is a building block for your future, and every decision to move forward, no matter how minor it may seem, is an act of courage that brings you closer to your ultimate vision. There will undoubtedly be challenges along the way, a few setbacks, moments when the old habits and negative thoughts try to resurface, or days when progress seems painfully slow. However, these obstacles are not signs of failure. They are opportunities for growth, learning, and resilience. Each challenge you face will equip you with the experience and strength needed to overcome future obstacles, reinforcing the idea that true transformation is a process, not an instantaneous change. This journey requires persistence, and it demands that you confront your fears head-on. Embrace the discomfort that comes with stepping into the unknown, for it is within that discomfort that the seeds of growth are sown. Visualize the person you aspire to become, and let that image serve as a constant reminder of why you embarked on this journey in the first place. With every sunrise, reaffirm your commitment to building a better version of yourself, one decision at a time. Trust in the process, and allow your inner resolve to be the driving force that propels you forward, even when the path seems unclear or the progress appears incremental. The journey of transformation is as much about the process as it is about the destination. It is a continuous cycle of learning, adapting, and evolving that enriches your life in ways you might not even have imagined. Imagine then that you are in a place where you not only wake up with purpose but also carry a profound sense of clarity about your goals and dreams. Picture yourself navigating through life with a renewed sense of energy, where each day is an opportunity to improve, learn, and contribute to your own success. As you continue to invest in your personal development, by reading, exercising, and engaging in activities that nourish both your mind and body, you will gradually notice a shift in your entire outlook on life. This shift is not superficial. It is a deep, internal transformation that redefines your relationship with the world around you. In this state of heightened awareness and purpose, challenges become less intimidating, and opportunities for growth become more visible. You begin to understand that the road to success is not paved with instant results, but with consistent, persistent efforts that accumulate over time to create monumental change. The decision to focus on self-improvement, to adopt habits that promote growth, and to continuously seek out new knowledge is the key to unlocking a future that is not bound by the limitations of your past. In this journey, every action you take is a declaration of intent, a resolute statement that you are ready to embrace a life filled with abundance, passion, and relentless progress. It is important to recognize that the process of transformation is a dynamic one, constantly evolving as you adapt to new challenges and opportunities. The skills you acquire along the way, whether they pertain to financial growth, digital marketing, or creative content production, are not static assets but living tools that will continue to empower you as you navigate the complexities of modern life. Each skill learned is a stepping stone that enhances your ability to innovate, solve problems, and seize opportunities that others might overlook. The willingness to learn and the courage to apply that knowledge in real-world scenarios is what ultimately sets successful individuals apart. In today's fast-paced world, where information is abundant and opportunities are abundant, the capacity to learn quickly and to act decisively is a competitive advantage that can transform not only your financial standing but also your overall quality of life. As you delve into the world of investing, digital entrepreneurship, or any other field that holds promise for growth, remind yourself that each moment of learning is an investment in your future. The cumulative effect of these investments, compounded over time, will yield results that far exceed your initial expectations. Ultimately, the journey to transforming your life in 6 months is not just a series of isolated actions or fleeting efforts. It is a comprehensive, all-encompassing commitment to becoming the best version of yourself. It requires a profound shift in your mindset, the establishment of consistent, beneficial habits, the acquisition of valuable skills, and most importantly, the courage to take action even when the odds seem stacked against you. It is a journey marked by moments of triumph, periods of self-doubt, and countless lessons learned along the way. Yet, with each challenge overcome and every small victory celebrated, you move one step closer to the life you have always envisioned. This is a call to action, an invitation to break free from the confines of complacency and to step boldly into a future defined by purpose, passion, and relentless determination. Let this be the turning point in your life, the moment when you decide that you are no longer content with the status quo and that you are ready to embrace a new, empowered version of yourself. The journey may be long, and the road may at times be steep, but the rewards are immeasurable. In the end, the transformation you seek is not merely about achieving external success or accumulating wealth. It is about creating a life that resonates with your deepest values and aspirations. It is about waking up each day with a clear sense of direction and the unshakable confidence that you have the power to shape your destiny. So, as you stand on the precipice of this new chapter, remember that the only person who can truly change your life is you. The time to act is now. With each decision, with every habit you build, and with every skill you acquire, you are crafting a future that is not only bright and successful but also deeply fulfilling. Embrace the journey with open arms, knowing that the path to transformation is built on the foundations of hard work, persistence, and an unwavering belief in your own potential. Success is not a distant dream reserved for a fortunate few. It is a reality waiting to be claimed by those who dare to take action today rather than postpone their dreams for tomorrow. In this single, continuous commitment to personal growth and relentless action, you hold the power to completely transform your life in the next 6 months. All that remains is for you to decide. Will you seize this opportunity, or will you allow another 6 months to pass by without embracing the change that you so deeply desire?